2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, compass, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.